measured every step I made, chased the order I've portrayed. But the beauty hides between the lines, where chaos sings and freedom shines. I'm letting go, I'm breathing in. The world's not meant to be so thin. No need to fix what life creates. Perfection fades and peace awaits. The plans I built, they fell apart, but somehow healed my restless heart. Each flaw became a work of art, each fall a chance for a new start. I find my calm in what's unknown. The seeds I've lost have fully grown. The dust I chase now lights my way. I learn to trust, I learn to